In 2025, stock trading isn't just about instincts and market news. It's about using the right AI tools to stay ahead of the game. From real-time data analysis to predictive algorithms that can spot trends before they happen, AI is transforming the way smart traders operate. But with so many platforms out there, which ones actually deliver results? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 AI tools every stock trader should be using in 2025 to maximize gains, minimize risks, and trade like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Today, we will talk about top 5 AI tools every stock trader should be using in 2025. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Imagine having tools so powerful they can scan millions of data points in seconds, predict stock trends before they happen, and help you make trades with more confidence and less emotion. That's not science fiction. That's the reality of stock trading in 2025. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 AI tools every stock trader should be using this year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these tools can change the way you trade forever. So stay tuned, because number 1 on our list might just blow your mind. 1. Trade Ideas. One of the most advanced and reliable AI tools in the market today is Trade Ideas. This platform has been leading the AI trading revolution for years and continues to evolve with every passing month. At its core, Trade Ideas uses an AI engine called Holly, which analyzes over 1 million trading scenarios each night to deliver the most promising trade setups for the following day. This means it can help you identify high-potential trades before the market even opens. Holly doesn't just provide random suggestions. It backtests each scenario and gives you probabilities, entry and exit points, and risk levels. You're essentially getting insights that hedge funds pay big money for, right at your fingertips. For traders who want an edge but don't have hours to spend on technical analysis, this tool is a game changer. It offers both day and swing trading options, making it versatile for different trading styles. In 2025, Trade Ideas has added real-time machine learning updates, so the system evolves throughout the day based on how the market moves. That means smarter decisions and faster reactions, all powered by AI. 2. TrendSpider. Coming in next is TrendSpider, a smart charting platform that combines technical analysis with artificial intelligence. For anyone tired of manually drawing trend lines, scanning for chart patterns, or guessing support and resistance levels, this is your tool. TrendSpider uses AI to automate the entire process of technical analysis. It scans thousands of stocks and highlights the most relevant price patterns, candlestick setups, and key Fibonacci levels in seconds. What used to take hours can now be done instantly. What makes TrendSpider even more powerful in 2025 is its multi-time frame analysis, meaning it looks at different time charts like daily, weekly, and monthly, all at once to give a complete market perspective. Its backtesting engine also allows you to test your strategies against historical data without any coding. If you're a visual trader who loves charts but hates the guesswork, this platform gives you a professional-level analysis with AI precision. And in today's high-speed markets, speed and accuracy are everything. 3. Cawout. Next on the list is Cawout, an AI-powered platform that's redefining stock screening. It uses a machine learning engine known as KAI, which evaluates millions of data points from financial reports, analyst ratings, price action, and even news sentiment to generate a KAI score for every stock. The KAI score is a single number that indicates the potential upside of a stock. The higher the score, the better the stock's outlook based on AI analysis. What makes Cawout unique is its ability to combine both quantitative and qualitative data, something most tools struggle with. In 2025, Cawout's AI is sharper than ever. It can now incorporate real-time earnings data, geopolitical news, and even social media chatter to detect shifts in sentiment before the market reacts. This gives traders a valuable head start. If you're the kind of trader who loves having data on your side but wants it boiled down into clear, actionable insight, Cawout delivers just that. It's simple, smart, and ideal for traders who want quick. Another must-have AI tool in 2025 is Tickeron. This platform takes pattern recognition to the next level. It's built with deep learning technology that scans thousands of securities in real time, identifying chart patterns like head and shoulders, flags, wedges, and double tops with high confidence levels. What sets Tickeron apart is its AI confidence rating for each pattern it detects. You're not just seeing a pattern, you're getting a probability score that tells you how likely that pattern is to succeed based on historical data. That's incredibly powerful when you need to make quick decisions. Tickeron also features AI portfolios, AI trend predictions, and an educational section that helps traders understand how the AI reaches its conclusions. This helps build trust in the system and sharpens your own trading skills over time. In 2025, Tickeron's predictive tools are even more refined. With updated neural networks and more training data, the accuracy of its predictions has significantly improved, making it a top choice for traders who want to mix strategy with smart automation. 5. FinBrain. Rounding out our list is FinBrain, an advanced AI platform focused on sentiment analysis and predictive modeling. What makes FinBrain unique is its ability to process unstructured data, like news articles, earnings calls, SEC filings, and social media posts, and turn it into a clear forecast for stock movement. It uses natural language processing (NLP) to understand the emotional tone of thousands of data sources and maps that sentiment onto the stock market. The result? A sentiment heat map that tells you which stocks are gaining positive attention and which ones are facing negative sentiment. In 2025, FinBrain has expanded its database and now covers international markets, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. It's no longer just about US equities, it's truly global. Its predictive models also combine historical volatility, options flow, and macroeconomic indicators to forecast price trends with remarkable accuracy. If you want to understand the why behind price moves, not just the what, FinBrain helps connect the dots. It's perfect for traders who value information flow and want to trade smarter based on broader market sentiment. Why these tools matter in 2025? Stock trading has changed dramatically. It's no longer just about gut feelings or basic charts. It's about data, speed, and precision. The tools we discussed today all use artificial intelligence to give traders an edge in an increasingly competitive environment. These AI systems don't replace the trader, they empower the trader. They cut through noise, highlight opportunities, and even remove emotional bias. In a market where every second counts, these tools can make the difference between a good trade and a great one. Artificial intelligence is no longer a luxury for big institutions, it's a powerful asset every trader can access. Whether you're looking to save time, reduce risk, or spot opportunities you might have missed, these top 5 AI tools can help you become a smarter, faster, and more confident trader in 2025. Remember, the market rewards preparation. With the right AI tools in your arsenal, you're not just reacting to the market, you're staying ahead of it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.